It's a miss, so we take out back the road. We have a try reach the falls now. Going in for the visit. There's mine. Guys, we wear glasses. Welcome back, people. I don't know the day for our next adventure. You see me, guys? So we're bringing it to a falls today. So you guys just stay tuned. So we're going to look about some food by the falls. We don't know what the day is to our falls yet. So you guys just keep on watching. We're here today with Dindin Official TV.
Acting like normal.
So,
guys, this is going to be a very entertaining and a very cinematic vlog.
right. So he might go do the bussu today, you see me? He might go do the cooking today.
Hey, watch it up. People that listen to him in the most beauty years, huh?
Yeah, man. Alright, so we're here. We just reached by the sign. We just reached a sign which says. I'm going to turn on the camera and show that, guys. Okay, so this is what the sign says, guys. It's my first time here, so we're going to see what the falls have to offer because, as I said, it's my first time here, so let's just see how that goes. So we are attempt to pick some of them star up here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but we are attempt to lick off some of them off of the tree, and them say star apple mean, so I can see. See there? That's rotten, man. What you say? Then say I'm going to try to lick off some. Let's try to see if I can lick off two also. You do the stone. One go on at them are gone. Ready? No problem.
Do you say one go on of them guy? And it's a green one I lick off. That green.
It's not green. Right in this. Hey. Start off.
Smell like shit. As the brain start to come, smell like shit. That's safe. It's sweet.
Alright. So guys, I try to lick off two more. And then we're going to hit the journey. As I carry two to see them here. But yeah, I'm going to try to see if we can get two more. Guys, so I start up here. You see me, so we take out back the road. We're going to try reach the falls now. So you're going to lead the way because I don't know the road, you know. I don't know the road, peeps, so. I didn't say one road, so. We shall continue straight. When we reach the falls, show you guys what's up. Okay, so you don't know, we reach. Where is this? This is a little spring, I think. It's branched to the falls or to the river. So we're on our way also, and we approach this. That water is very cool. It is really cool, trust me. So yeah, I don't know. We have to just reach the bigger part now and so we're going, you see me guys? So you guys just keep on watching. This where we're at now is a different it seems like it's a different spring, right? So we are check out this one and what we still up on the journey going up. So the bigger falls. Guys, I go down some step now to the river. To the falls. So we're going down. Boom, look them here. This is straight like yo. Man, play man. One, two. Ah, brother. Bad man, this come at me and walk down in our street. Trust me. It was a good little walk, but we managed to reach. You know, so I put him name on the bamboos. Yeah man, so it's a really beautiful place. Trust me, it's really nice. You have to really watch your steps because where the road stay, it's a challenge. You understand? So right now, you guys can see the falls in the background. Soon give you guys a better view of it. So you guys just keep on watching and you'll see everything that takes place today. Everybody put their names on the bamboo whenever they visit. Here's mine. Yeah, so going down. This is Din Shell TV. Yeah guys, so we made it to the falls. Don't know, see there? It's so nice right now. There's a mesa. I don't know. Here we have it. Nanny Falls. So right now the next step, we don't know, we have to cook some food in the beef. You don't know, we have to try to get some firewood and catch up a fire. So you guys just keep on watching and you'll see the process. Alright guys, so we are getting some fire stick now. We are going to use the bamboo to catch the fire. So the Indian pick them up. Okay, yeah peeps, so we are going to go up top and see if we can get together some more fire stick. So we are getting some fire stick now. Okay, so this is all the sticks we gathered for the fire people. So hopefully that can work. We have the falls right here. You know we are going to cook right in front of the falls today. Never say what it is. That's not bad. I don't know, we have some Bussu. Soon show now what we have put, you see me? We have the Bussu and stuff. So we'll try to see if we can get a fire start and put on the pot for the fire. I make them go and boil and we'll clean up. You see me guys? So thumbs up the video. Okay, so it's time to start the fire, right? So we're going to get some more sticks, put in the fire and start it. So you guys just keep on watching and look what go on. Peeps, so this is going to be lunch today, isn't it? Some curry bussu. So we have to go scald them here in some hot water now and get them out from inside the shell. Right, so that's what we are going to do right now. Alright, so this is Alright guys, so the fire catch up now, you see me? So right now I'm going to put on the Bussu them on the fire and then we're going to pick them out afterwards. So let's do that now. Okay, so it's time to get off these guys. See there? They're my boil now, so we're going to take them off of the fire and we're going to start pick them out. Alright, just let flick in now. I don't want to disgrace yourself now here. So the rice just go on, peeps. Rice not the pot. They don't know, so we just make that go and boil now. Alright peeps, so I don't know, we finish with the Bussu them. So the pot. So we finish with the Bussu them now people, so you don't know, we are getting it seasoned up. And we are going to make the rice cook. And whenever the rice cooks, you don't know what time to put on the Bussu. So you guys just keep on watching and hope you all enjoy. Okay guys, so Din is prepping up the season. I don't know, we are seasoning up the Bussu them from now. So whenever the rice finish, we can get it on the fire.
Korea come a long way. But to get out of this now.
Time to check on the rice. So this is how the rice is going. So that is how the rice is going, peeps. So right now I'm going to put some water inside of it so it can finish steam, right? So we're going to do that now. So look what's going on.
Yo, Bussu kind so, when you want it, you just cook it. I'm going to try to cook it.
Alright guys, so while you're pre there, this is what's going on right now. Nice Bussu. All seasoned up. Right by the falls guys. Right, so as soon as the rice finish, this is going to be on the fire next. Okay guys, so we are about to take off the pot off of the fire. I don't know. The rice done steam, you know. So I'll show you that whenever we take it off, right? So we're gonna put on the bussu them now on the fire. So you guys just watch that. So we have the pot on the fire now. We have the rice take off. We're going to make that pot hot, and then we're going to pour in our oil and going to bussu them on the fire, right? Yeah. So this is the view, peeps. Yeah man, we have a few visitors over there. Yeah, but this is the view that we're cooking in today. We have bussu them right there. You know, so we are going to make the fire catch up, and then we are putting in oil. Pepper, I'm burning pepper in here. Time to put in everything in the pot, peeps. I don't know, I'll put it in and make it go and fry up. Yeah. Guys, look out. I had to eat some of the rice, peeps, because trust me, I am hungry. So, time to put in the bussu them and the curry. Yes, sir. You all go on now?
Oh, it smells good.
Yep. This is what's happening, guys. So we're gonna leave that now for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna add some water to it and let it cook. Okay guys, so the pot looking very good. So we'll give it a few more minutes to go and simmer, and then you know it's time to eat some food. So I go on.
Yeah. The chef here. Yes guys, I have to say, tell me say, I never sure if you never chef here, but if you don't know, you never do it on the inside. It's just a black twist or a trick. So guys, now wonder why you add it to ready. It's because you see the smoke, realize it from there, everything going to go, The smoke constantly follow me. And then there's a line up good. And the smoke now over there. Go all the way over this, you know, and the smoke come all the way over this. Don't bother me. You know, I them man. So it got feel. It's just the life, you know?
Okay, people, I don't know. Pot come off of the fire now, so it's time to get the food shear out. It's time to get the food shear out, right? So we are going to do that now, guys. So just look forward. People, look forward knife pot. Wow. Yeah.
Right there, bud.
No more.
Yeah, we don't want trouble too much, man. Yeah? Gotta put in that. How would the bomb box food? If you know that, I'm going to take out more, man. No, I think so. You're going to sit there, share type plate. Now, I say I don't want to take out too much. Because I don't know how much left in it.
Yes, so I go on your pot of people.
Guys, man, I think look disgusting, man. Man, you sure to think decent.
Yeah, man, so let's feel so bored.
Load clean, man, that show it.
Guys, when I find a decent, you think I rest out me there? When I find out a decent, man, just mix up everything. Mix up everything, man. All in one, see? I don't know. Guys, we have a jelly. I'm about to pop open this jelly because the pepper really hot. So we open this jelly, guys, and get some to drink. See it there? This jelly really doing it. Sweet up it. Man, jelly is really sweet, beef. So I can't take some more food. Yes, babe, so I don't know, just gonna need some food. I will just look for the falls now, guys. It's a beauty. You make so I won't be taking a swim today because, you know, next time we come here, we will swim. Because if we don't have the GoPro cover, so I don't really want to go inside of the water right now without it. Eh? Oh, that one. So, soon pack up and head out back, guys, because we basically finished. You guys just take a look at this beautiful waterfall, guys. So you guys need to visit here. Alright peeps, so you see, here are clean, no garbage, see all our garbage here. So I'll show it in our bin. So we're gonna leave the falls now and head up back on the road. We head up back the steps them. Pick up our garbage. Head up the steps. Wow. Come on up, man. We're leaving. Look at this snail, guys. You know, like, yeah. So whenever you come here, you will see this. Boom! Every time I find a step, I made that. Yeah, look at these steps. Cha-cha. Yeah, we head up the steps and go throw garbage. So I want you guys to slaughter me about my garbage, you know. Yeah? Yeah. We're town Nanny Falls. Alright, so they have a garbage bin here. Dispose of garbage. Yeah. Alright peeps, you see we just throw our garbage, and with the back on the truck heading out. Right guys, so we're gonna close off the video now because you don't know, we have to keep focused on the road. You see me? So I hope you all enjoyed that one. You see me? So sitting in here, about to leave you now.
You see that?
You drop one camera, man.
Better focus where we are go.
Alright.
So guys, make sure now, as we said before, like up the video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And that is it.
That's right. Hey peeps, so until next time guys, catch you in the next upload. Peace out. Get the transport ready. Yes, I.